So in today's video we discuss how to create a right arc greater than bracket in our Windows computer using keyboard shortcut. So remember this keyboard shortcut or this alt code you must keep in mind 10644. Okay, I'll show you how to create right arc greater than bracket. For doing this you must open your Microsoft Word in your computer, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard you can see that this is the number lock key, so you must press this numlock. So now we have enabled the numlock. Now you can see that on the keyboard there is an alt key. You must press this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10644. So after typing 10644 you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been added, or we have created this symbol in our computer keyboard. So this is the right arc greater than bracket we have created using keyboard shortcut. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.